Welcome to the Aftermarket Best Practices series from Activent. In this short presentation, you'll see how to manage your new vendor part numbers, also called super sessions, to prevent lost sales and to protect your forecasts. One of the constant changes you can't ignore is the fact that vendors change their part numbers. New part numbers for parts you're selling can cause havoc on your forecasts and in filling customer orders. A change in part number could mean a lost sale because the part number doesn't match what you have in inventory, and it could ruin your forecast since these are still using the old part number. But you could fix this. All you need to do is move the sales history of the part under the old part number to the new part number, and you'd have to make sure you delete the old part number. With today's parts proliferation, this just isn't possible. Technology is really the only way out. Here's a view to an input screen to update the inventory with the option to keep the old number along with the new, or combine or change the use of the old and the new part numbers. This update could also be imported. Here's the part number with the current data, but the old part number. This shows the same data now with the new part number. This system combines the old with the new into one record for that part. Users can still use the old part number. The system simply cross-references the old part number to the new. So now you can use the old number or the new part number. In fact, if you have stock under the old part number, this system will show that information so that the older numbered parts can be sold first. And when replacing the old part number with the new, any open PO orders or special orders will automatically be updated. So when a shipment comes in with the vendor's new number that changed since the order was placed, these parts will now match to the open PO and be properly received. All part sales history and return verification information is preserved and transferred to the new number. I now know that the calculated order points will be correct because they're using actual sales, taking the guesswork out of ordering new parts. And my inventory file stays clean without junk that might allow for a lost sale. My information is fresh and accurate. If you'd like to find out more about this system that can provide you with these fast, efficient, and complete functions to handle new part numbers or super sessions, contact your Activent representative or give us a call at 800-380-9015. You can also send us an email at automotive.marketing@activent.com. And to see more in our Aftermarket Best Practices series, visit the Activent Auto channel on YouTube.